Welcome to the CarsNew channel. Today, we'll be discussing the 2027 Lincoln Navigator review. The 2027 Lincoln Navigator 2027 continues to define what it means to go big in the luxury SUV segment. In a world increasingly focused on efficiency and downsizing, Lincoln doubles down on size, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, creating a vehicle that feels more like a rolling luxury lounge than a traditional SUV. At first glance, the Navigator's presence is impossible to ignore. Its massive proportions, bold grille, and refined detailing give it a commanding road presence that rivals competitors like the Cadillac Escalade. This is not a subtle vehicle. It's designed for those who want to be seen. And for 2027, Lincoln keeps the formula intact, with no major redesign changes, proving that the current look still resonates strongly in the premium SUV space. Under the hood, the Navigator packs a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine producing around 440 horsepower. Paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, it delivers strong acceleration for such a large vehicle, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 5 seconds. While it's not a performance SUV in the traditional sense, the powertrain provides more than enough muscle for highway merging, towing, and long-distance cruising. Speaking of capability, it can tow up to 8,700 pounds when properly equipped, making it as practical as it is luxurious. Step inside, and the Navigator truly shines. The cabin is one of the most opulent in its class, featuring high-end materials like real wood trim, premium leather, and meticulous craftsmanship. Space is abundant across all 3 rows, with even the 3rd row offering genuine adult comfort, something many rivals struggle to achieve. Whether you choose a bench seat or captain's chairs, passengers are treated to heated, ventilated, and even massaging seats in higher trims. The centerpiece of the interior is its massive 48-inch panoramic display stretching across the dashboard. This high-tech setup blends the instrument cluster and infotainment into one seamless visual experience, complemented by an additional lower touchscreen for controls. It's futuristic and visually stunning, though some may find the lower screen placement slightly distracting while driving. Still, features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 28-speaker premium audio system, and over-the-air updates ensure the Navigator stays at the forefront of in-car technology. Technology goes beyond entertainment. Lincoln's Blue Cruise hands-free driving system comes standard, allowing for semi-autonomous highway driving. Combined with a full suite of driver assistance features, the Navigator prioritizes safety and convenience in equal measure. On the road, the Navigator delivers exactly what luxury buyers expect: a smooth, quiet, and composed ride. Its adaptive suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly, making long journeys relaxing for both driver and passengers. However, its size is always noticeable. Tight city streets and parking spaces can be challenging, and fuel economy remains a weak point at around 17 mpg combined. Ultimately, the 2027 Lincoln Navigator isn't trying to be sporty or efficient. Instead, it embraces its identity as a full-size luxury flagship. It's big, bold, and unapologetically indulgent, perfect for buyers who prioritize comfort, technology, and presence above all else. If you want an SUV that feels like first-class travel on wheels, the Navigator continues to deliver in a big way.